What's up, everybody? This is your boy, Mr. Dynamics FX, the one and only Mr. Too Good. I'm back again with another video. Today, we're checking EURUSD. So, it is something different about EURUSD that I want us to discuss, right? So, as you can see, we have this huge impulse, right? And we have this correction. You know, after a correction, has to be an impulse, right? But if you can check here, let's just identify this zone where the market is currently is. Yeah. And this identify the highest point, which is this one, right? So in this manner, we can see that the market created this correction, this conjugation. Let's put it like this. Yeah. And then let's go like this. Mind you, guys, if you can see here, we are missing the third touch, right? Which is aligned to this strong area here. Let's identify it, right? The market didn't give us what? The third touch. Like I always say, it's not always the third touch, right? Even on the second touch, the market can move up, right? So what we're expecting is we have the huge impulse and then the correction. Expect the market to complete the 90% rule, meaning it should continue up until to this point. You see, right? So, but when I was going deep in the market, you can clearly see that the market is breaking correctively. How? Let's check here. Let's remove this so that I can show you clearly. If you can check here, this one is a downtrend, right? You can see it's a impulse corrective. I understand it's a huge impulse, then this correction. And now we have this huge correction here. I think a lot of people, they're not gonna say this, but we have this pattern here, which is a continuation pattern, right? This one, right? So that is where most of people they lose their money. You can clearly see here, since we're on a downtrend, right? The bigger structure, the big one, the first one, let's put it back. Yeah. It's a downtrend market. And we know that when the market, it's a downtrend market, but when the market breaks a trend line, it changes directions. But in this manner, or let's remove this. But in this situation here, we can clearly see that the market is breaking what? There is trend line with correctively, meaning with a continuation pattern. Do you understand? Meaning the market is still gonna continue to go down. And then we confirm this one because we're still missing what here? We're still missing the third touch for the market to actually go up. So we're expecting something like this and this. Make a third touch and then go down to this area. And then we push up, something like this. Understand? Actually expanding the structure, expecting something like this. Just move it a little bit here. You understand? So expecting this correction to continue, right, until the market arrives there and give us a third touch, then we go up. You understand, guys? So the market here broke correctively. So let's remove it like this. So now we have something like this. As you can see, we have what? Impulse, pullback, impulse, correction. So this is the first touch here. Second touch here, right? Then we're waiting for the third touch currently, which is this one here. Understand? Then after the third touch, we go down and make the third touch of this one, and then we push up like this. So what we're predicting that the market will do something like this. Something like this. You understand? And why also? Because another confirmation is this strong area. Do you see this pullback here? Let's identify this pullback. Remember, it's a daily time frame. Right. Put it like, just put it here. So remember, we are on a daily time frame, right? And you can see this pullback created this huge impulse to the downside, meaning here there's a high volume. Understand, it's a high volume area, and this high volume area is aligned with the third touch here. Remember, we have the first touch, second touch, and the third touch, meaning this is a very, very strong area here. So we have the much possibility that the market, or high chances that the market will reject and reverse and then respect this impulse correction, then go down. So we're looking at something like this on Euro USD, right? So let's go to, let's remove this one now. Let's go to H4 and see what's happening on H4. Okay, let's just put it here. At the top, sharp. So at this moment, you can clearly see it. Now you can clearly see it. What I'm talking about, guys. This correction, we're inside a continuation pattern inside this channel. So we're waiting for the third touch here. So what we're gonna do, let's check how, like I always say, if I'm saying the market's gonna reject, since the market is going up, how is the market approaching that zone? Is it going impulsively with a correction? With what? So let's check here on this area. We can clearly see here, yeah, you can clearly see here that the market is approaching that area with less momentum, with this reversal pattern, which is this one. Right. Let's put it. You need to put this trend line in the right position. Otherwise, you're gonna find yourself taking trade where you don't have to take them. So this trend line started here. Oh, sorry, this reversal pattern started here, right? So this is the 90% of this correction, right? So what we're expecting this week, we're expecting the market to push up here and give us a continuation and give us a confirmation of a candlestick. Maybe it's a engulfing shooting star, a rejection candlestick here, and then we take it. This is going to be our first TP, because now we also have the first touch, the second touch, and the third touch, meaning even the bigger channel here, let's put it here, even the bigger channel here, we're waiting, it's 1, 2, we're waiting for the third touch. Even the inside one, the smaller one, 1, 2, we're waiting for the third touch. Also aligned with this area which has high volume, meaning definitely we are going to sell Euro USD next week. Hopefully on Monday, you're just going to wait for the market to push up to this area. Do you understand? Just be patient to push up until this area. And then if the market doesn't follow, right, what we are doing here, and then if the market decides to push up, because sometimes it's going to push up like this, right? Wait for a confirmation of a retest, then you go up, right? Because sometimes what they're going to do, because they know we're waiting for this. So what they're going to do, they might push up with huge momentum like this, and then they bring it back. So if the market, they bring it back inside, just wait until the market retests this level like this, and then you take the trade, something like this. Right. So, but what we're waiting for initially is the first touch, which is the third touch here. So something like this. Let's just put it here. Put it down like this. Do 20%. So this is what we're waiting for on Euro USD. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video. I love you so much for choosing my channel, and go to my TikTok. If you're on TikTok, go to my Instagram, my YouTube, follow me and subscribe. More videos are coming. Thank you for watching. God bless you.